Withdrawing money from Wise to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Access your Wise account by entering your email and password on the Wise website or app. Step 2. Navigate to the Balances section. Once logged in, go to the Balances section where you can see your available currencies and the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 3. Select the currency to withdraw. Choose the currency you want to withdraw. Click on the currency balance and you will see an option to withdraw or transfer funds. Step 4. Enter your bank account details. Input your bank account information if you haven't done so already. Make sure to double check the details for accuracy to avoid any issues with the transfer. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and any fees. Once everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal to initiate the transfer to your bank account. After completing these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the arrival of your money and feel free to reach out to Wise support if you encounter any issues.